We're Nat and James, and this is our sailboat Zephyr. She's taken us all over the world and been our home for 3.5 years. With over 20,000 nautical miles under her keel and our sights firmly set on sailing around the world, we are on a mission to make some vital upgrades and much needed repairs. So join us every week for a new video. If you would like to support our journey, a great way is by clicking the subscribe button. Enjoy the video, guys.
Forever waiting, then came you, I thought I was.
Last week we flew to Spain to attend my cousin's wedding and spend some much needed time with family. This week it's only James that flies back from Madrid and gets stuck in with the boatyard jobs.
First day back at the marina, hailstorm, check this out! Well, good morning everyone. Today is another day in the boatyard. I've been back from Spain now for about 2 days and all I've been doing is working on our transom, fiberglassing and sanding. You'll see more of that coming up shortly, but today is going to be an expensive day. You thought I was going to say it's going to be an amazing day. It is going to be an amazing day, but today is going to be epically expensive. Why? Because we are off to finally buy our new anchor chain. As you've seen in our previous videos, our anchor chain is shot. We've used it so much, and you know what? Time to replace it. So where we're gonna go? Well, I'll tell you what, we're off to Bacon Sales. We're gonna see Stevie. He's been helping us out, pick the right chain, get the right quality chain that we need, and yeah, so let's go pick it up. All right, everyone, we are here at Bacon Sales. You got Stevie in the background here. And we are getting our new anchor chain, as we said. So we're going with ecco 3/8 inch high test anchor chain, and we're getting 250 feet. Steve's pulling it all up. And yeah, so if you guys need anything in the boating world, you want to come talk to this guy at Bacon Sales. They've got used, new, everything you can think of, and they're awesome. All right, so Stevie's measured out our 250 feet, and now he's got to break the link.
Yeah, so I just blew the link, and I keep pressing this, which spreads the link open. So when you release it, comes out, and there you go. Voila!
Not knowing anything about anchor chain, I literally thought he was going to cut it with a saw or, I don't know, bolt cutters. But that's pretty cool. Well, hopefully the car can hold it. We're gonna put in, what'd you say, 1.3 pounds
Something
per
like
foot?
that. Somewhere around there.
So I think we're adding about 330 pounds to the back of Jeff Box White's Jetta here. So I think it'll work. We'll be low riding. Stevie's getting a workout now.
Prepping for everybody.
Yeah, oh yeah. If you guys remember last year, Stevie crushed everybody in the arm wrestle.
This is how you do it. You boys that want to beat me.
Yeah.
You got the anchor on your boat. You got the tools right at your disposal.
He's starting a low ride. Oh my god. Oh, I hope I don't hit the wheel well here.
If you do.
Wow, she's getting low. Oh, brother, well, thanks so much. I'll give you a call in the morning. All right, everyone, that's it. Chains in the boot. We're good to go. Honestly, if you guys need anything, it doesn't matter if you're not in Annapolis, go to Bacon Sales. These guys are incredible. They have everything you can imagine. If you need a used sail in a pinch, or you just need a random boat part, they have so much stuff.
and the guys are really helpful. All right, time to take this chain back and stick it on the boat. Let's go. All right, everyone, so we are back at the boatyard, and you can see our massive pile of chain here, all 250 feet of it. It's time to take this chain and put it in that bow locker on that boat. So let's get started. All right, good morning. What is up, everybody? We are here in the boatyard. We bought our new chain yesterday. We were gonna throw it on, but realized we got some things to do first, which is we're gonna mark every 25 feet on our chain. So let's get to it. We've got our anchor chain laid out in 25-foot sections. Now, yesterday we bought our new anchor chain. We're about to throw it on, and then I remembered, let's make life easy. So we are gonna mark this while we're in the boatyard. I got some new fluoro tags. Every color that's represented on the chain will also be represented on the remote handle, so that way when you're pulling up or putting down, you know exactly what's out. You can tell just by looking at the remote handle. So as I said, we got 250 foot of chain. We're gonna mark out the first 125 feet, and then we'll duplicate the colors for the second 125 feet. So the way we're gonna do this is we're going to go yellow, purple, orange, green, blue. And then the colors will start again. So this will be 25, 50, 75, 100, 125. We've been using this method now for the last 4 years. Works really well. The only downside, and the thing that kind of gets us a little bit upset, is that obviously these are plastic and sometimes they do break off and they can land in the ocean, and that obviously makes us very upset. But the paint doesn't last, it flakes off super quick. There are these little plastic spacers you can put between the chain. They pop out as well. So if you guys got any great ideas, leave it in the comments below. Let us know what is your best method for marking out a chain, and one that is super environmentally friendly, because right now we can't seem to find a solution. Anyways, let's start marking. This will be our end that'll connect to the anchor, so we don't need to do that end. We'll start down here. So there you go, and then what I'll do is I'm going to actually cut that, and then I turn this to the inside so that it doesn't get damaged by the gypsy. But let's mark out the rest before we do that. So that's it, there you are. You can see we've tagged these bad boys. Now I'm just going to clip the ends off and then rotate them inwards so that the gypsy doesn't break them. And then we can load it on the boat.
Morning everybody, we are back in the water now. James is busy working on the transom. He has been full on non-stop. I just got back from Spain, and my first job while I'm here is we want to lay out some really cool wooden tiles in the bathrooms. So we've seen it in a couple of boats and it looks so nice, so we thought, yeah, we want to do that. So we bought some They're kind of like wooden patio ones, and we're going to lay those out. But before I do that, I have to map out the area in the bathroom so that I can cut the wooden planks or tiles into the shape that fits the bathroom. So I learned this technique off the guy from SHIPSDEK who came to draw out our cockpit where we're going to have the faux teak installed. I'm using, as you can see here, just plastic bags that I have torn open, cut open, and I've already done the other bathroom, which is much smaller. So yeah, so I'm just trying to work out what I need, because this is a slope here. To do with these parts are, those are X's, because we're not going to be using that, and then map out the rest of it. So we've cut these out now to fit exactly into the little tiny bathroom. So this is the front head, this is the front head floor. So it fits exactly. And now the only other thing I'm going to do is sand these edges off. Once I've done that, I'm going to varnish. I was only going to do the edges, but I think I might varnish everything, which I don't know if it's a good idea or not.
Do you want to just start with the edges? See how it looks?
Yeah, okay. I'm going to see what.
Yeah, maybe test the edges and see how it goes. There's also, we have our scrap pile. So maybe you want to test on like one of these.
Yeah.
And see how it goes.
And just like that, the Annapolis Boat Show kicks off. This year we hardly did any filming as we were enjoying our time way too much. But here is a few clips of our time. A massive thank you to everybody that came out to see us. Having this opportunity to catch up with so many amazing people continues to fuel our passion for this incredible journey that we are on.
You know that you're one of a kind, wanna show me, baby, the things you feel do with that body.
Thanks, guys.
Yeah, that was fun. Thanks for coming.
No worries. It's been amazing.
Thanks for coming out, guys.
It's coming. How are you feeling?
I'm hanging so bad today. We had a big night last night, so.
How cool is this street?
Is this the house?
Is this it?
She said, let me know when you're ready for me, ready for me, ready for me. She said, let me know when you're ready for me, ready for me, ready for me, yeah. Nyama tengbe,